Yes, this is first lesson, first lecture in first semester. For first semester, differential integral calculus for first year students. You see, differential calculus, integral calculus means in this unit there is there is a differentiations. What is the differentiation between? Suppose one variable is given f of x is equal to x. So what is the differentiation of x? That is 1. In what from what formula we can find it? That is limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h is the formula to find the differentiation with respect to x. Like that, many formulas we can find from the first principle, that is differentiation of one variable. That is, suppose f of x is equal to sin x, f of x is equal to x power n. Like that, we can all the differentiations can find with the help of the first principle, that is f of x plus h minus f of x by h, where limit h tends to 0. From that principle we can find all the values. So next, in that in this differential calculus, some formulas are there for differentiation. We know in the intermediate level up to. First of all, in first unit, actually first chapter is successive differentiation. What is mean of successive differentiation? Successive differentiation is nothing but the many times for the derivation. For example, f of x is equal to x. So what is the first derivative of x? That is 1. What is second derivative of x? That is 0. Like that, suppose the function f of x is equal to sin x, then what is its first limit, first in the differentiation, that is cos x. Second differentiation, minus sin x, again minus cos x, minus sin x. Like this, what is the general formula to nth derivative of the given function is called successive differentiation. This is the brief for the successive differentiation. Just now we start the partial differentiation in first unit for first semester of Shatavana University. Differential integral in this book, differential integral calculus, the partial differentiation is the first unit. What is the difference between partial differentiation and differentiation? First we know what is that. What is the difference? In general equation, general differentiation, for example, f of x is equal to xy. What is the differentiation? We use uv formula. Uv formula means x dy by dx plus y into 1. Like that, we complete the differentiations. Okay, that is the general differentiation. For example, I will give one simple example. Then what is the partial differentiation? Suppose f of xy is equal to xy, x into y. What is dou f by dou x? Dou f by dou x is only 1 into y, that is y. What is dou f by dou y? That is x into 1, that is x. It means for partial differentiation, partially means మనం దేని దృష్టి అయితే అవకలము డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేస్తామో యు టేక్ దట్ వేరియబుల్ ఓన్లీ, రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ ట్రీటెడ్ యాజ్ ఏ కాన్స్టెంట్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, sin of xy is there. Sin of xy means what is the differentiation of sin of xy? That is cos of xy into differentiation of d by dx of xy. Like that, you use uv method for something, that's all, complete it. But in differentiation, partial differentiation, that is very easy to find the sin of xy means sin of x. You take sin of xy is cos of xy, and what's the differentiation of xy means? The differentiation of xy is from the with respect to x, that is y, with respect to y, that is x. So that is the difference between the partial differentiation and general differentiation. So our first syllabus start by partial differentiation. Just you see what is the definition of the partial differentiation in the mathematical words. The functions studied so far are for a single independent variable. There are functions which depends on two or more variables is called partial differentiation. Means in the partial differentiation many variables are there. How many variables? Suppose x, y, z is there. For example, if you partial differentiation with respect to x, you take only the derivative of x. Y z treated as a constant. That is the main thing from the partial differentiation. So the condition, we know what are the limits. That is limit of xy tends to a comma b. F of xy is equal to f of ab. Partial derivation with a single variable y is equal to fx is dy by dx is equal to limit del x tends to 0 f of x plus del x minus fx by del x. Means this is the general derivative function. Just before I tell that f of x plus h minus f of x by h has limit h tends to 0. Like this only, this is the dy by dx. Means the function, suppose the function y is equal to f of x. The increment in the function f of x is x plus delta x. Then the variables dy by dx is what? Dy by dx is limit del x tends to 0 f of x plus delta x minus f of x by del x is equal to f of x. This is the first derivative of the differentiation, where the function given is y is equal to fx. If a dependent variable is a function of single independent variable, generally what we take the variables are generally in x, y, z, t terms. These are the variables. But in partial derivatives, you take, suppose z is equal to f of xy, means the function is in xy terms. If you find the derivative with respect to x, you treated y as a constant. With respect to y, you treated x as a constant. So dy by dx, the formula for dy by dx is here given, that limit delta x tends to 0 f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x is equal to f dash x. Actually that is f dash x also. If a dependent variable is a function of single independent variable. For example, let z is equal to f of xy. If the variable x, y remains constant and changes goes to delta x, then z undergoes a change del z. Means suppose for partial differentiations, the undergoes changes in the delta x is x plus delta x. The second variable is y. Then dou z is defined as f of x plus del x comma y minus f of xy. So therefore dou z by dou x is limit del x tends to 0 f of x plus del x y comma y minus f of xy by del x is equal to dou f by dou x, that is called f of x. You see here, dou f by the differentiation is denoted by dy by dx. The partial differentiation here denoted by dou f by dou x or f of x. fx means here the derivative with respect to x partially to the function f. fx dou z by dou x, dou f by dou x is partial derivatives with respect to x. These are the symbols for partial derivatives. So first of all, we know what is the difference between differentiation and partial differentiation. Differentiation is over all variables. That is, suppose the xy terms is there, we can use the uv method, x dy by dx plus y dx by dx, that is 1, like that. But in partial derivative, suppose xy term is there, we write, suppose with respect to x you treated y as a constant, means the derivative of x is 1, y as a constant, 1 into y, that is y only. Like that, many problems are there in the partial differentiations. We use the formula and find the derivatives. Again, go to second page. To take one example, if z is equal to x square y plus xy square, find dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. What is the mean of dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y? Dou z by dou x means differentiating z with respect to x partially. Dou z by dou y means differentiating z with respect to y partially. So here we take z is equal to x square y plus xy square. What is dou z by dou x? Generally we take dou by dou x of x square y plus xy square, means dou by dou x of x square y plus dou by dou x of xy. In general derivative also we separate it. How? Dou z by dou x is equal to dou by dou x square y plus xy square, like that. And dou by dou z is equal dou by dou z of x square y plus dou by dou x of xy square. So here with respect to partially differentiating partially with respect to x, it means what is the derivative of x square y? The differentiation of x square y is x square is 2x, y treated as a constant, so that is 2xy, plus dou by dou x of xy square means that is y square, because the derivative of x is 1, the derivative of y square is treated as a constant. So finally dou z by dou x is dou by dou x of x square y plus xy square is equal to dou by dou x of x square y plus dou by dou x of xy square. X square y is 2xy plus dou by dou x of xy square means that is y square. That is dou z by dou x. So dou z by dou y is what? What is dou z by dou y? What is the mean of dou z by dou y? That is dou by dou y of x square y plus xy square. X square y plus xy, the same, the given function is same, but here we find the derivative with respect to y. So what is dou z by dou y? That is dou by dou y of x square y plus xy square. So dou by dou y of x square y means treated y as a constant, derivative of y, and treated x square as a constant. X square constant, the derivative of y is 1, plus xy square means the x is treated as a constant x, the derivative of y square is 2y, is equal to x square plus 2xy. That is y square plus 2xy. Both are not same, differ. Dou z by dou x is different from dou z by dou y. So this is the derivatives dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. You take another example. If z is equal to sin of x by y, find dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. It means dou z by dou x is equal to dou by dou x of sin of x by y, that is cos of xy. How? What is the differentiation of sin x? That is cos x. Cos of x by y. Again we differentiating internally the derivative of x by y. So dou by dou x of x by y. Here you see in general derivatives, the dou by dou x of x by y is nothing but you take u by v method, that is v squared like that. But here cos of x by y into dou by dou x of x by y is equal to, take what is the derivative of x by y with respect to x means 1 by y is constant, the derivative of x is 1, so 1 by y into cos of x by y as it is. So dou z by dou x, if z is equal to sin of x by y, then dou z by dou x is equal to 1 by y cos of 1 by y into cos of x by y, that is dou z by dou x. So what is dou z by dou y? Dou z by dou y is dou by dou y of sin of x by y. Dou by dou y of sin of x by y means sin of x by y, same the derivative of sin of x by y with respect to x or with respect to y, because in this function we cannot differ xy. X by y is single function here, so a sin of x by y, the derivative of sin of x by y is cos of x by y, but the internal derivative is different. So dou by dou y of x by y is cos of x by y, and dou by dou y of x by y is minus x by y square, because x is constant, the derivative of 1 by y is nothing but minus 1 by y square. So cos of x by y into minus x by y square is the derivative with respect to y. So dou z by dou y is minus x by y square into cos of x by y. See, dou z by dou x is 1 by y cos of x by y, and dou z by dou y is minus x by y square into cos of x by y. Lot of difference is there. Cos of x by y is common, but internal derivatives are changed here. 1 by y into cos of x by y, and minus x by y square into cos of x by y. So this is the partial derivative with respect to x and with respect to y. So dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y is different. Okay, we go to third page. Take find fx fi where f of xy is given. First a problem, x square y plus xy square by x plus y is totally with two variables. See, x square y plus xy square by x plus y. So here you see, this is the partial derivative with respect to, we can find the with respect to x and with respect to y also. But in numerator there is xy terms, in denominator also there is xy terms. So we cannot differ the values. If suppose the function can change, x square y, if you take xy is common, x plus y xy common, the function becomes xy, but the problem is here x square y plus xy square. So by x plus y we can use the u by v method, because in numerator there is xy terms and denominator also there is xy terms. In denominator xy terms means what is the u by v formula? That is v dou by dou x of u minus u dou by dou x of v by v square. By v square means that is x plus y whole square. Okay, v, that is x plus y, again dou by dou x of x square y plus xy square minus u x square y plus xy square to dou by dou x of x plus y, that is x plus y. Okay, the derivative of x square y is what? X in x square y, that is x is variable means 2x, y is constant 2xy. ప్లస్ xy స్క్వేర్లో y స్క్వేర్ కాన్స్టెంట్, ది డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ x is 1. సో x plus y into 2xy plus y స్క్వేర్ పార్షియల్లీ డెరివేటివ్స్ గమనించాలి ఇక్కడ. మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ వై ప్లస్ xy స్క్వేర్, x derivative is 1, y derivative is 0. If you simplify it, 2x square y plus xy square, 2xy into x, 2x square y, 2xy into y, 2xy square, y square into x, xy square, y square into y, y cube. The first term is over. You come to second term means only with multiply with 1 means minus x square y minus xy square. If you cancel xy square, you got y cube plus 2xy square and plus x square y by x plus y whole square. That is dou z by dou x are denoted by fx. It means z differentiating with respect to x partially. This is your solution. So what is f of y? Again dou z by dou y is equal to dou by dou y of x square y plus xy square by x plus y. Again here in the numerator also there is xy terms, denominator also y term. In numerator also a x term, the y term, and denominator also y term. So again we use u by v method, but the answer is different because here we differentiating with respect to y. Above problem we differentiating with respect to x only. So dou by dou y of this means uv v square, that is x plus y whole square, x plus y, dou by dou y of x square y plus xy square minus x square y plus xy square, dou by dou y x plus y, x plus y is as it is. Dou by dou y of x square y is x square with respect to y means x square is constant, the derivative of y is 1, plus xy square means the derivative x is constant, the derivative of y square is 2y, so that is 2xy, minus same x square y plus xy square as it is. Dou by dou y means the derivative of x, single term is there, that is treated as a constant, the derivative of constant is 0, that's why the derivative of x is 0 plus 1. If you multiply and simplify it, x square into x, x cube, x square into y, x into x square, x cube, x into 2xy, 2x square y, y into x square, yx square, minus x square y and minus xy square. So after simplification we get x cube plus 2x square y plus xy square by xy square. This is dou z by dou y, and the above problem is dou z by dou x. Both are same. Dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y.